Hello and welcome to video by Dr. Arora on knowledge on topic Aconite and its homeopathic uses. Also known as monkshood, wolfsbane, devil's helmet, or blue rocket, refers to plants in the genus Aconitum. This genus includes over 250 to 400 species of herbaceous, perennial plants, most of which are highly toxic. All parts of the plant, especially the roots, tubers, but also leaves, stems, flowers, and seeds, contain potent diterpenoid alkaloids, primarily aconitine, along with mesaconitine, hypoconitine, gessaconitine, and related compounds. Aconitine is a C19 diterpenoid alkaloid that acts as a powerful neurotoxin and cardiotoxin. Traditionally, it was famous for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects, rheumatoid arthritis, joint, muscle pain, neuralgia, cardiotonic or antiarrhythmic applications in very controlled doses, treatment of colds, fever, sepsis, trauma, and certain pains. Homeopathic aconite is classically indicated for acute, sudden onset conditions, accompanied by intense fear, anxiety, restlessness, and symptoms that appear violently and rapidly, often triggered by exposure to dry, cold wind, drafts, or fright/shock. It is considered a first-stage remedy for inflammations and fevers before they become fully established. Aconite produces only functional disturbances, no tissue changes, with brief action and no periodicity. Its sphere is the initial inflammatory stage, hyperemia and congestion, before exudation or pathological changes set in. It is the first remedy in inflammations and inflammatory fevers. Serous membranes and muscular tissues are markedly affected. Key general features include burning in internal parts, tingling, coldness, and numbness, influenza, and tension of the arteries, with emotional and physical, mental tension, explaining many symptoms. Relationship of aconite with sleep, the person having occasional nightmare, nightly ravings, anxious dreams. Sleeplessness with restlessness and tossing about starts up in sleep. Long dreams with anxiety and chest, insomnia of the aged. In extreme ties, numbness and tingling, shooting pains, icy coldness, and insensibility of hands and feet. Arms feel lame, bruised, heavy, numb. Pain down left arm, hot hands and cold feet, rheumatic inflammation of joints, worse at night, red, shining swelling, very sensitive. Hip, joint, and thigh feel lame, especially after lying down. Knees unsteady, disposition of foot to turn. In heart, aconite cures tachycardia, affections of the heart with pain in left shoulder, stitching pain in chest, palpitation with anxiety, fainting, and tingling in fingers, pulse full, hard, tense, and bounding, sometimes intermits, temporal and carotid arteries felt when sitting. While it is strictly advised to take any homeopathic medicine itself, take Dr. Arora's online consultation for any disease, experienced in treating end-stage cases and chronic cases, and get medicines at your doorsteps. To stay tuned with more awareness videos on health, medicine, and relatable topics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel.